Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi theme video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignertechtips.com. Well, today we're going to show you how to build this great glitch headline text using the Divi Supreme Modules plugin. Really easy to do, and that sort of glitchy effect's going to get people's eyeballs on that particular headline in a hurry. So I've already got my visual builder loaded. So I'm simply going to go in and delete this module. We'll start from scratch. I've got one row with one column in it. Let's delete this and start again. Divi comes as standard with all the light grey modules, and there's plenty to build just about any sort of site. When you add the Supreme modules, you get these darker ones here, the purpley blue ones, and there's about 40 of them, and they really are a great addition to the Divi theme. So if we go down, I'm looking for the glitch text today. There it is right there. I'm just going to simply left click on it. As you can see, it's put in a bit of text, or I hope you can see that. It's put in a bit of text and it's already got a glitch effect going. Put in what you want there for your headline. And you've got two different glitch effects to choose from. I'll leave it on one for a moment. When we've increased the size and visibility of this font, we'll change that around a bit. Don't want a link or a background or an admin label. Put a link in, obviously, if you're linking to something that the headline pertains to, just put that in there. If it's on the same site, you'll want it in the same window. If you're navigating to another website or somewhere else, you want to do it in a new tab. But let's go to our design now. And we'll go to our title text. You can change it to whatever you want. Divi's got a couple of hundred fonts, or I haven't actually counted them, they've got a huge amount. I'm going to change mine to one that's more sort of blocky, that will show the glitch a little bit better. That's great. I want it to be bold. I want it to be a lot bigger. You can capitalize it if you want. Let's put it in the middle. Let's make it a lot lighter so we can actually see it. I'll use a blue that I've used before, that's fine. And really the only other thing I want to do is just make it a lot bigger, and we can do that with the title text size right here. Just pull it up so it's almost big enough to break into two lines, and there you can see that glitch effect working a lot better with that bigger headline there. Great, so we're pretty much done. I'll just go back to the content tab and show you the other glitch effect. They're pretty similar, but I like the first one better, I think. This is glitch 1 we're looking at right now. And here's glitch 2. Slightly different. I think I'm going to leave mine on glitch 1. There we go, that's like a bad old style television picture. So let's save this. We'll save our changes. And we're done. There's our glitch headline. And like I say, that sort of glitch effect is going to get eyeballs on that little headline in a pretty short amount of time when people visit your site. So there's how to create a glitch headline with the Supreme modules. I hope you've enjoyed that and found it useful. If you have, please ring the bell, give it a thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignertechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.